So let's talk about how to write equations of parallel and perpendicular lines. All right, the type of question you're going to see is like in example 3. Write the equation of a line that passes through the point -2, 3 and is parallel to y equals -4x plus 1. Okay, so this right here is your given line. All right, we need to write an equation of a line that is going to be parallel to that given line. So what do I need from that given line? I need its slope. All right, so the given slope is m equals -4. All right, so what does the slope of my line need to be if it's going to be parallel to the given line? All right, so what is the parallel slope going to be? All right, this right here means parallel slope. All right, the parallel slope, or the parallel sign sub m, needs to be the exact same. Parallel slopes are the same, or parallel lines have the same slope. So what do I need to do? I need to write the equation of the line that passes through -2, 3 and has a slope of -4. Okay, so we got y equals mx plus b. Let's plug in what we know. We know the y coordinate is 3. We know the m, or my slope, if it's going to be parallel, has to be the same, so it's going to be -4. The x coordinate is -2, and we do not know the b value. Okay, so this is going to look like 3 equals 8 plus b. Subtract 8 from both sides, we will get b to equal -5. So what's the equation of this line? Y equals -4x minus 5. Notice how it has the same slope as my given line, but different y-intercepts. Therefore, it is parallel. Okay? What about in example 4? Write the equation of the line that goes through the point 10, 2, and is perpendicular to the line 2y plus 10x equals 14. So I need to figure out what is my given slope. So I need to get this 2y plus 10x equals 14 into slope-intercept form. So 2y plus 10x equals 14. I'm going to subtract 10x from both sides. So I'll get 2y equals -10x plus 14. Divide everything by 2. I'll get y equals -5x plus 7. Okay? So I can use the same color. The given slope is m equals -5. All right? And if my new line is needing to be perpendicular to my given line, okay, what is the perpendicular slope? That's what this means. What does the perpendicular slope need to be? It needs to be the opposite reciprocal. So what's the opposite of -5? +5. What is the reciprocal of +5? 1/5. Okay, so I have a point here. That's my point. My slope is going to be 1/5. So we've got y equals mx plus b. Let's plug in what we know. We know the y coordinate is 2. My slope needs to be 1/5, needs to be the opposite reciprocal. The x coordinate is going to be 10. I do not know my b value. Okay, so what's 1/5 times 10? So I can put 10 over 1, cross cancel. 1/5 of 10 is 2. Okay, so we get 2 equals 2 plus b. Subtract 2 from both sides. B is going to equal 0. So the equation of my line is y equals 1/5 x plus 0. But we don't need to write this part, so we're just going to say y equals 1/5 times x. Okay? Y equals 1/5 times x is perpendicular to my given line. All right? And then we get to example 5. I'll leave that up there just for a quick second. Example 5, write the equation of a line that passes through the point 4, negative 2, and is parallel to the line that goes through the points 3, 8, and negative 2, 7. Okay? So, we got to do a couple things here first. I need to figure out what is the slope of my given line. So, this is given to you. So, what is its slope? What is its slope? All right, so we need to use our slope formula. Subtract the y's over, subtract the x's. All right, so that's going to be negative 7 minus 8 over negative 2 minus 3. So negative 7 minus 8, that's going to give me negative 15. Negative 2 minus 3, that's going to give me negative 5. Negative 15 divided by negative 5 is going to give me positive 3. So my given slope is m equals 3, which means that my parallel slope needs to be the same exact thing, 3. Okay? So it needs to go through this point, and the slope needs to be 3. So we got y equals mx plus b. Let's plug in what we know. We know negative 2 is playing y. We know 3 is playing my slope. We know 4 is playing the x-coordinate. We do not know the b value. All right, so if I simplify this, I get negative 2 equals 12 plus b. Subtract 12 from both sides, I'll get b equals negative 14. So the equation of my line is y equals 3x minus 14. Okay, this equation goes through the point, this function goes through the point 4, negative 2, and will be parallel to the line that connects those 2 points. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. It all comes down to slope, and you got to understand what these questions are asking. All right, so find your given slope, then find the slope that you want, whether it's the parallel slope, which will be the exact same, or the perpendicular slope, which will be the opposite reciprocal. Use the point, use the slope, write the equation of the line. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Other than that, have a good one.